The key, he locks the door. I didn't know where he kept the key. So when I get to the door, he draw me back, and that was what happened.
Okay.
Based on the police, he said they were allegedly stabbing and shooting several people. So what company did you pursue?
3 times.
The first one was both. The first one was twice. Do you understand? The first one on the neck side. That was the first one. And then when I started doing the first one twice, I threw the knife on the bed. Then he was going for it while I went for it. So while I laid on the bed, that's when it came on me to hold the knife, and that's why I managed to stab him with the knife. And then when he dragged the knife from me, he managed to slice my hand. And then as he was holding it, the knife broke, so it slipped off from his hand. I still managed to held to it, but then it was now weak, and then it fell on the floor.
Okay, so why did you what was it about the first time that you didn't like? What did you do? Or what happened?
I was trying to sleep. I was trying to sleep. It was midnight, so we were drunk and we have smoked. So I was already sleepy, and then I was already sleepy. And then when he came and took me, that was what happened. It was violent and all.
Yes, and loud.
Was there weed in the room?
That's good now. Let's get it.
It's not.
How were you arrested?
They came to my house. And that's how I was.
Okay, do you live with your parents?
Yeah.
Where?
No, not in Nigeria.
Okay, how long have you known this guy and how did you meet him?
Exactly.
I've known him for 4 months, 5 months. I met him through friends.
A friend introduced him to you?
Yeah.
Okay, so how regular do you people see?
Not regular. Not regular.
You were saying he was coming for you. Understand?
That was my first
I need you to explain that because a lot of people do term that to him another.
That's time. Long time, yeah.
Okay, so how long did you guys stay? Did you check in on Sunday? When did he die? Which day did he die? And when did you leave him? And how were you able to escape from the room after killing him, or you just walked in?
Well, while he was lying there, I changed and then I left the room. I looked for the key for where he ate it and I left it there.
So when you escaped, who did you reach out to? Where was the first place you went to?
I didn't reach out to anybody.
So how do you feel when you know that you have killed somebody and you just sneaked out? How do you feel at 21 committing this kind of crime?
What did you do with the ATM letter? With his ATM?
I withdrew some money.
How much?
About 380.
Not 5 million.
On confirmed reports have you that in your original account you have about 10 million naira. How did you get such amount of money?
That's not my account.
So how was it traced to you?
It's not mine.
Any sense of remorse after committing this crime?
I felt a lot.
Confirm the court also stated that but you didn't reach out to anybody before that confirm the court also said that after the within 5 million.
No. 5 million wasn't withdrawn from the account.
So how much?
280 I said.
What did you plan to do with the money?
What I plan to do with money?
The money you withdrew from his account.
To pay my fees.
Okay, now
they
the guy
arrested
who brought drugs, who called the guy, whose customer is that guy who brought drugs to you guys?
It was the one that called.
Supply drugs to both of you.
I don't know. He's always having smoke with him. So I don't know if that was the first time.
In 4 months you've known him, how many times have you gone out with him?
And where do you
And
go?
what's the difference with this particular one?
We haven't gone out like out. It's always like we can meet and then we go to the house at the BTC.
You said is it BGC or Banana Island? Where is it BGC or Banana Island?
The BTC.
So how do you feel when
I felt disappointed.
How did your parents get to know about this whole situation? Did you inform them yourself or how?
It was that day.
around one time they realized that when you speak up,
Please speak up.
I think
Can you
it was 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Either 9 or 10. It was already very late. Yes, it was late.
So when you do you live in school or you live with your parents?
I stayed with my parents.
You stay with your parents and you left on a Sunday and this happened when? That's like 3 days interval or thereabout. When did you tell your parents you were doing this?
I told him I was going for auction.
For what?
Ushering job?
Yes.
Have you been doing it before?
Yes, I used to do freelance auction.
Any other
You
question?
checked in into the shop later, according to reports that you checked in with the foreign number. Did you have any plan to reach out them? Because of course, no, it will be difficult to trace you with such foreign numbers. Is that correct?
It was not difficult to trace me with the number, but I didn't have mind of doing that.
But is it correct to say you checked in with the foreign number?
That was the number I used in texting the game.
That was the number you used?
In texting the game.
So you have a foreign number, just is that it?
What do you do with that
So what exactly?
What country? Number.
So why should you
How
even
did
be
you
keeping
get the
it?
foreign number?
We traveled
How
out
did you get the
before.
foreign number?
It's on hub.
Eh?
It's on hub.
It's an app.
Okay, there is app.
Yes, app that generates number.
how would you do that?
Yeah, it's possible.
If you don't have medication, when you use having foreign number, don't have foreign number.
What do you do with the foreign number? Why would you like just on your own decide to have a foreign number?